Alrighty, kindergarten, I think we're ready to make our pumpkins. So pumpkins are a 3D form. They're 3D. We're gonna be talking all about 3D shapes this year. This will be a painting project, but today we're gonna make sure that we're ready. All right, so first what I want you to do is make sure that your pencil's sharpened. Remember, there's a little cup inside of your table, and if you open it, and there's a little opener, you just pull it, there you go. There's an eraser, just in case you make a mistake and you wanna erase it, it'll go away. We also have sharpeners. If you need to sharpen your pencil at this time, let's go ahead and take a minute. Remember, you hold it and then turn it like a key, make it nice and sharp. Once you're done, put it on your table. You can leave the eraser out just in case you need to use it, and then put the cup to the side for you and your partner. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. First, we're gonna start with the horizon. The horizon is the line that separates the sky from the land when you draw a picture. So maybe your land is a straight line. Maybe there's some hills. I'm gonna do some hills, but I'm gonna do one line horizontally all the way to the other side of the paper. Let me put some hills. Oh, good, there we go. Now, if you wanna do yours different, is that okay? Absolutely, it's okay. Give me a thumbs up once you have your horizon. All right, now that we have our horizon, we have our sky and our land. But before we start making our pumpkins, we need to write something on our paper that will help us remember who this belongs to. Your name. You're gonna write your name at the very bottom left-hand corner. My name is, yes, it's Mr. Boatfield. Your name is not Mr. Boatfield. Should you write Mr. Boatfield? No. And then on the right side, we need our class code. Our class code is the letter K plus the number of the day, then with a circle around it. Give me a thumbs up once you're ready. All right, now we're gonna pick a spot for our very first pumpkin. Your pumpkin can be big, it can be small, you can have many pumpkins, maybe you just want one big pumpkin. That's okay. What I want you to do is I want you to find a spot on the paper, and I want you to do a long, long oval. An oval is like a circle, but it's a little bit longer, like it was stretched out. Go ahead and draw an oval someplace on your paper and give me a thumbs up. All right, so you have your oval. Does this look anything like a pumpkin yet? Nope, it looks like a carrot or a potato. You're gonna be doing C's. Let me show you how. We're gonna take this oval that we just created, and we're gonna echo that line. Echo, echo, echo. It's an echo, but we're gonna do the same thing, but in art with line. I'm gonna take this side, I'm gonna trace it. Okay, so it kind of goes down and back a little bit. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, see, I'm echoing that line. And it might get smaller as it goes. And remember, pumpkins are really bumpy. And then what about the other side? I'm gonna echo, echo, echo. Ah, you can see kind of the 3D-ness, right? And then if you want to, you can give your pumpkin some bumps on top, even a little stem. Doesn't that look a little bit more realistic? All right, let's try it together. So you have your oval. Let's go ahead and start on one side and echo, echo, echo. If you make a mistake, you can take your eraser and erase it, no worries. Easy, easy fix. But go ahead and echo your pumpkin on one side and then try echoing again on the other side. And if you want to, you can give it some bumps on top and even a little stem. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay guys, so now you get to decide what else you want in your picture. You have your pumpkin, you have your land. Is it a sunny day? Is it a rainy day? Are there some clouds in the sky? Is there a house on the hill? Is there a path leading down? Maybe you want even more pumpkins. So I'm gonna draw an oval and then do what? Echo it, echo, echo, echo. Am I allowed to do flowers? Absolutely. If you want to do some sunflowers or something for fall, I say go for it. Have some fun. I want to do a few more pumpkins. Maybe I'll do some baby pumpkins. Am I allowed to do a tree? Yeah, I can do a little scribble line, wavy like the ocean line, and turn it into a tree. But I'm gonna fill up that paper. I'm also gonna add texture. Texture is anything that you can feel. Maybe I can add some grass. All right, and then we're gonna take we're gonna find our Sharpie. I'm gonna put these on the back counter. You're gonna go over every single line. You're gonna go over every single what? Line. I'll be right back. Remember the Sharpie, can the Sharpie be erased? No, whatever you do with the Sharpie is permanent. So that's why we use the pencil, so that you can get it right before it's too late. All right, so I'm gonna give you about 10 minutes just to go ahead and fill up your paper. Don't forget to go over it with Sharpie, and then I will give you your next option. You guys have the option of either finishing this now, you can put it on the back counter and choose a new activity after you clean your table, or you can add a little bit of color today. Now remember, this is going to be a painting project, so we are still going to paint this next time, but there's a trick I want to show you. You can take crayon and you can color this, and next time, whatever you color with crayon is still gonna show up. So like if I take one of these pumpkins and I put it under the rubbing plate, so the rubbing plate is there for you to use, and I take the crayon, hold it with 2 fingers, and I go hard and waxy. I've colored it with crayon. Next time when you're here, you can take the water, let it drip. Let's say I want to do more of a redder pumpkin, and I go over that orange. Do you see it popping through? Isn't that cool? So you can do cool effects next time, and you can plan it out today. It doesn't have to be just pumpkins. Maybe I want some of my grass to have some texture too, so I'm gonna put that texture plate. Give myself a little green crayon. There we go. You might take a green and go over it, but look, your crayon will still be there. This will not work with marker. If you use marker, it's going to smear and it's going to be something that you don't like. I promise, promise, promise you. So that's an option for you today. If you want to use the crayons or the rubbing plate so that next time you'll have an even more amazing picture, awesome. When you're done with this, put this on the back counter. Show me you cleaned your table with a thumbs up, and then you can choose a new activity for today. And be ready, next time we're gonna start painting. So be thinking about what colors you might wanna use. Have fun.